In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a chat using Office 365. First, we need to log into Office 365 by going to mail.franklin.edu. Then we'll use our username and password to log in. Once Office 365 is loaded, we'll then need to see what our status is from a chat perspective. As you can see, I automatically get some notifications and some reminders. So to check our status and to begin a chat, first locate where your picture would be. Now, if you have not added a picture, you may just see a placeholder, and that's fine. So I'm going to click on my picture, and then I'm going to sign in to the IM, or instant messaging. Instant messaging and chat can be used synonymously, or can be called the same thing. I'm going to click on sign into IM, and I am now signed in, and you'll see that my status is green, and that means I'm available for chat. So if I click on my picture again, you'll see that it shows me as available, and I can actually begin a chat. Now, it's not apparent by looking at this that I can actually begin a chat. So let me click out of this again. So the way you do chats is you must go to your people section, which is right here. After you click on people, you can search for the person that you want to chat with. I've got it set to all right now. This means it's going to search through everyone who is on my server or on my version of Office 365. So I will find people in here that I may not be in class with right now, but are part of that system. So I'm going to start typing the name of the person I want to chat with. And it will start to do that search for me after I press the enter button. So I found the person I want to chat with, and you can see that she in fact is online right now as well. So I now have a couple of choices. I can either email her, which is not what we want to do. I can schedule a meeting with her, or I can send an instant message. And that's what we want to do. So I'm going to click on the send an instant message button, and it opens a new window that pops up, and now I can begin a chat. So when I begin that chat and press enter, that will send it to her, and you can see what time I sent it, and then she'll be able to respond. Now obviously she'll respond if she's able to, but that's how you begin those chats. Now to end the chat, I would simply click on the X and close it. Oh look, see? We can see that she is actually typing a response. So it does give you a lot of feedback as to what is happening. There she goes, and so she's telling that she is on her computer right now as well. So that's how that works. I'm going to close that. Now, if she were to send me a message, you'll see that a new IM request will come in. So we're also, as you can see here from her message, we're going to test it on the phone later as well. It actually works almost the same way. As you'll notice, you really can't tell what device that the people that you're chatting with, you can't tell what device that they're on, but you still get that same interaction where you're able to chat back and forth. So again, to close those chats, I'm going to close that here. And again, I'm still logged in and I'm still signed in for chatting, so I'm still active. If I need to sign out, I would again click on my name, and I would sign out of IM, and it would go back to that white or gray color. To sign back into it, I would click on sign into IM, and I would go back on that status. So that's how you start a chat using the Office 365 IM or instant messaging or chat application in your browser.